Welcome to this session on partnership. In this session, we will take a look at the basics of compound partnership. So let's get started. First and foremost, what is compound partnership? So when two partners come together but the time period for which each stays in partnership is different, we say that compound partnership is taking place. For example, there are two people, A and B. They both start a business, but initially A starts and B starts after 4 months. So effectively, A has been in partnership for 12 months and B has been in partnership for 8 months. And here we can easily say that compound partnership has taken place. Now, so what will differ in compound partnership is the way in which the profit will be distributed. So how will you distribute profit in case of a compound partnership? Suppose A invested an amount of money, let's call it MA, and B invested an amount of money, let's call it MB, then the ratio in which the profits will be divided will be a product of 12 and MA. So 12 times MA as to 8 times MB. So money will be divided in the ratio of products of their time periods and the capital invested. So let us solve some questions in order to understand this concept better. So we have the question: A started some business with rupees 2000 and B joined after 4 months with rupees 4000. In what ratio will the money be shared between the two? So let's see how we can solve this question. So we have two people here, A who has invested rupees 2000 and we have B who has invested rupees 4000. A is there in the business from the start of the business and B is there after 4 months. So we can say that A has been in business for a full period of 12 months while B has been there only for a period of 8 months. So we can see very clearly that this is a case of compounded partnership because the time periods of both these people are not the same. So in what ratio shall we divide the profit between A and B? As was clearly outlined, profit of A as to profit of B must be in the ratio of the capital that they invest multiplied by the time period. So profit of A is 2000 multiplied by 12 as to profit of B will be 4000 multiplied by 8. So what do you get there? You can see that profit of A and profit of B will be in the ratio of 12 as to 16, and if you simplify this further you will get 3 as to 4 as the ratio of profit between A and B. So we can use this simple principle of compounded partnership to arrive at the ratio of profits. Let us look at another similar question. Next question: A started a business with rupees 4000 and B joins after 6 months with rupees 6000. The profit earned at the end of the first year was rupees 40,000. What is the share of A and B in the entire transaction? So let us solve this question. So in this question, the information provided to us is that A starts the business with rupees 4000 and after 6 months B joins with rupees 6000. So the time period of A, the time for which A has been in business, can be taken as 12 months, while the time for which B has been in operation or B has been in business is only 6 months. So the profit of A as to profit of B must be capital multiplied by the time period for each. So 4000 into 12 for A and 6000 into 6 for B. So we have profit of A as to profit of B is equal to 48,000 as to 36,000, which can further be simplified as, so we have it as 48,000 as to 36,000, which means profit of A as to profit of B is equal to 4 as to 3. Now, once we have the profit, we can easily find the share of A and B. Share of A can be calculated as 4 upon 7th because the ratio is 4 is to 3. So 4 by 7 into 40,000 will be the share of A, and share of B will be 3 by 7 into 40,000. So we have the share of A as rupees 1,60,000 divided by 7, and for share of B we have 1,20,000 divided by 7 rupees. So with this we come to an end of our session. If you wish to watch more videos, please log on to www.pfindia.com. If you wish to ask a query or a doubt, you can write to us at studentservices@pfindia.com. And if you're watching this video on our website, please use the Ask a Doubt feature to raise your queries. Thank you very much.